All right, coach. 2-1 loss. Are you interested? Are you happy about the performance of the squad today, despite the loss?
Satisfied but disappointed with the result. I think we gave a good battle here today, and of course, with a little bit more luck and with a little bit more balance from the officiating, I think we could have gotten some of the cards, right? But of course, as I said previously, I'm not going to debate on the referee. I'm just going to concentrate on what my team did. We needed against a good team like this to really hold possession of the ball, and we had the capacity to do it. I think we did it in spurts, but whenever we did it, I think we found ourselves in some good opportunities. We need to be more consistent.
Yeah, for a team up at the top of the table like that, running so hard and doing a lot of stuff, for you to come to them, battle to and from in that manner, you should be impressed with the performance overall.
Impressed is not the word. Probably that is too strong a word. But of course, as I said before, I'm satisfied with the performance and it really put me in good stead going forward. You know, you turn up for games with the same similar attitude and the similar warrior type activity. I think we can get the required points.
Still working on the finishing in the final third?
The services need to become first. We got a couple in the very early part of the game. We probably could have gone 2-0 up.
Yeah.
At Jones converted, but yes, we do have to practice our finishing.
All right, coach. Well done, yeah?